The value of underground minerals in North Korea is a topic of considerable economic and geopolitical interest. North Korea is believed to possess vast mineral resources that, if fully exploited, could significantly impact its economy and the broader region. The country's mineral wealth includes substantial deposits of coal, iron ore, magnesite, gold, zinc, copper, limestone, molybdenum, graphite, and rare earth elements. These resources represent a potential boon for an otherwise isolated and economically challenged nation. North Korea's geology is rich and diverse, featuring significant mineral deposits that have been surveyed and partially exploited over the years. The total estimated value of these mineral resources ranges from several trillion to upwards of $10 trillion, depending on the source and the assumptions made about market prices and extractive capabilities. This vast wealth, however, remains largely untapped due to a combination of factors, including technological limitations, lack of investment, and international sanctions. Coal is one of the most abundant resources in North Korea. The country has extensive anthracite coal reserves, particularly in the northern regions. Coal mining has traditionally been a key industry, providing a critical energy source for domestic consumption and export revenue. Despite its potential, the coal sector faces significant challenges such as outdated mining infrastructure, inefficient extraction methods, and fluctuating demand in international markets. Nonetheless, coal remains a vital part of North Korea's economy and energy strategy. Iron ore is another crucial mineral resource. North Korea has large deposits of iron ore, particularly in the Musan mine, one of the largest iron ore mines in Asia. This resource is essential for the country's steel production, which supports various industrial sectors, including construction and manufacturing. The iron ore industry, however, suffers from similar issues as the coal sector, including obsolete technology, insufficient capital investment, and logistical difficulties in transporting ore to processing facilities and markets. Magnesite, a mineral used in the production of refractory materials and magnesium metal, is abundantly found in North Korea. The country holds some of the world's largest magnesite reserves, primarily concentrated in the Hamgyong-do province. Magnesite mining and processing have significant economic potential, particularly in supplying the global market with high-quality magnesium products. However, the sector's growth is hindered by inadequate mining practices, limited access to international markets, and a lack of advanced processing technology. Gold mining in North Korea has a long history, with several gold deposits scattered across the country. The nation has numerous small-scale and artisanal mining operations, and gold extraction continues to contribute to the economy. Gold is particularly valuable as it can be used to generate foreign exchange and as a hedge against economic instability. Nevertheless, gold mining faces challenges such as insufficient modern mining equipment, environmental concerns, and the complexities of international gold markets. Zinc and copper are also significant mineral resources in North Korea. The country's zinc reserves are among the largest in the world, with substantial deposits located in the Komdok mine. Zinc is used extensively in various industries, including galvanizing steel and producing alloys. Copper mining, though less extensive, also holds considerable potential. Both metals are crucial for industrial applications, and their extraction could provide substantial economic benefits. However, the development of these sectors is constrained by outdated mining infrastructure, insufficient investment, and international sanctions that limit access to global markets. Limestone is another abundant mineral resource in North Korea, used primarily in the construction industry for cement production. Limestone quarries are widespread, supporting the country's building material needs. The construction industry is a vital part of the North Korean economy, and limestone extraction plays a critical role in sustaining this sector. However, the industry's growth is limited by the overall economic situation, including infrastructure constraints and the availability of modern construction technologies. Molybdenum, a metal used in steel alloys to enhance strength and resistance to corrosion, is found in significant quantities in North Korea. The development of molybdenum mining could boost the country's metallurgical industry, providing high-strength materials for various industrial applications. Yet, as with other mineral sectors, molybdenum mining is hampered by technological limitations, lack of investment, and international isolation. Graphite is another important mineral resource, with North Korea possessing some of the world's largest deposits. Graphite is essential for various applications, including batteries, lubricants, and as a material for high-temperature industrial processes. The global demand for graphite, particularly for use in electric vehicle batteries, presents a substantial opportunity for North Korea. However, the exploitation of graphite deposits faces challenges such as mining inefficiencies, environmental regulations, and difficulties in accessing international markets due to sanctions. Rare earth elements, which are critical for modern technologies such as electronics, renewable energy systems, and advanced manufacturing, are also present in North Korea. The country has potentially significant deposits of these elements, which are crucial for producing high-tech devices and components. The extraction and processing of rare earth elements could provide North Korea with a valuable niche in the global market. However, this sector requires substantial technological expertise, investment, and access to international markets, all of which are currently constrained. The geopolitical implications of North Korea's mineral wealth are significant. The country's ability to leverage its mineral resources could alter its economic standing and influence in the region. For instance, if North Korea could attract foreign investment and technology, it could potentially develop its mining sector to a level where it becomes a major supplier of critical minerals to global markets. This development could enhance its economic stability and provide leverage in international negotiations. However, the potential of North Korea's mineral resources is significantly hampered by the country's political and economic isolation. International sanctions imposed due to the country's nuclear program and human rights violations severely restrict its ability to engage in global trade and attract foreign investment. These sanctions limit the export of minerals, the import of necessary mining equipment, and access to financial markets, thereby stifling the growth of the mining sector. Furthermore, North Korea's domestic policies and governance structures also impact the exploitation of its mineral wealth. The centralized control of the economy, lack of transparency, and the prioritization of military spending over economic development create an environment that is not conducive to sustainable industrial growth. The absence of legal and regulatory frameworks that protect investors and ensure environmental and social standards further deters potential foreign investment. Environmental concerns also pose challenges to the development of North Korea's mining sector. Mining activities, if not managed properly, can lead to significant environmental degradation, including deforestation, soil erosion, water contamination, and loss of biodiversity. North Korea's mining practices have historically neglected environmental safeguards, leading to adverse ecological impacts. Addressing these concerns would require substantial reforms and investments in sustainable mining technologies and practices. In summary, the value of underground minerals in North Korea is immense, with potential reserves worth trillions of dollars. These resources, including coal, iron ore, magnesite, gold, zinc, copper, limestone, molybdenum, graphite, and rare earth elements, could significantly boost the country's economy and enhance its geopolitical standing. However, the full exploitation of these mineral resources is constrained by a range of factors, including outdated technology, lack of investment, international sanctions, governance challenges, and environmental concerns. To unlock the potential of its mineral wealth, North Korea would need to undertake substantial economic and political reforms, improve mining practices, and engage with the international community. The path to realizing the value of its underground minerals is fraught with challenges but holds the promise of transforming the country's economic landscape if navigated successfully.